we are on the way to pick up 2 Cushmans that I have bought by probably about a month now or more. They've been sitting at my buddy Brian's place, and he's been holding them for me, and finally able to set up to actually drive up there and get it. So one of these, I have a very special project. Some of y'all watching this already know what that is. Some of y'all watching this already know about these Cushmans. But really excited to get these. Really excited to get my hands on them, to start working on them. I'm still telling myself I can't keep both of them. Everybody I talk to says I'm going to want to keep them, but I have to get rid of one of them. I'm going to refurbish and sell one of them. Somebody already has dibs on the one I'm going to sell, so let's hit the road. We got some snacks, and gonna eat at a really good Mexican restaurant once we get up there and the Cushman's loaded up. We got the same trailer. Don't know if you can see it. Got the same trailer that the Charger was on, and this trailer pulls beautifully. I was thinking we may have to back up one of the Cushmans up on first, and then nose up the other one, so the noses kind of overlap a little bit. But let's see what we might see on the road for interesting content driving. And we're passing the great Bass Pro Shop Pyramid of Memphis.
As you can hear the shakiness of your voice, we're trying to get to Memphis.
Yep. I still think they should have turned that pyramid into a museum instead of freaking Ducks Unlimited Bass Pro Shop. Anyway, we're passing over. We are actually going over the Memphis Bridge.
The big one.
The Big M. And you were just saying something very interesting. He was talking about. Hang on. There we go. He was talking about where he said at Brian, just off garage, when we were at No Name, he looked really familiar, but he couldn't pinpoint it. One of the last lives he was in, he realized it was Brian from when we went to pick up the Dart, and that's when he said something interesting about Jed.
Well, you see, Jed's a great guy. I like Jed, but Jed has this posture of him and look that just looks like a 70s porn star.
We do a lot of fun photoshopping. So, what picture were you wanting put together?
Well, it's going to involve a couch. Most likely a black leather one. I just had to find a perfect picture.
Yeah. We may have to scour our Discord to see what kind of picture you can find.
We'll find something for sure.
Oh, definitely. We're officially in Arkansas. Arkansas. On the way. St. Louis. There's Arch over there in the background. Should be passing by that pretty soon. This looks pretty similar. I think I got the same area last time both of us were driving through to go pick up the Dart. So we are passing the Arch there in a little bit. should see the Cushmans here before too long. So we'll see y'all when we get to the Cushmans. We are here at my buddy Brian's place, and he got some Cushmans for me. Let's take a look at them. I am going to have a hard time letting go of this one. It is so freaking cool. The transmission is actually out of it, but since I'm not using the one in here, I should be able to take this transmission out and put it in here. These doors look like they're actually in good shape. May have to bend this one a little bit to get it back in shape, but I was able to close it earlier. It's missing the timing components out of there, but I know I can get that. And got some wasps in here, so definitely gotta watch out for that. But it's still really freaking cool. This one, I have a very special project in mind. Y'all will find out on this one later. Got a bumblebee in here trying to get out. This one's got timing components that I can take out of that one and put in that one. So, got extra parts. This one's got the transmission still, pretty sure. Yeah. This one's got the transmission still. So I'll be able to take this transmission out, put it in there, get everything hooked up in that one. Back wheels in this one are locked up, but I should be able to get it freed up. So let's get these on the trailer and sort through some stuff.
They taste sweeter than
well, we got the Cushmans loaded up. It is starting to rain. We got everything tied down. We got all the weight out of the back of that. It's actually orange. It looks red in pictures. Brian helped. He was he was supervising.
I held the trailer down.
Yeah, he held the trailer down. He held the trailer down just to make sure it wouldn't float away. But got everything loaded up, got everything secure, and we're good to get cleaned up and go have some really good Mexican food.
You know, I held the trailer down because I'm old. You know how people say that they age like a fine wine? I age like milk.
On that note, I think me and my brother-in-law Chris are gonna go get cleaned up and go eat some really good Mexican food. So we'll see y'all at the house when we get these unloaded. There's a water puddle. There we go.
I was looking to talk.
Had to do that. We just left. Got everything loaded up good. We had really good Mexican food, delicious Mexican food. Cheesy rice is awesome. And should be home by about 9 o'clock at the latest. About 9:10, something like that. Depending on how long it takes us to stop and get gas. But we'll see y'all once we get to the house, and probably gonna wait to unload these tomorrow. So we'll just see how we feel when we get home. So we'll see y'all when we get home. Well, we made it home. Cushmans are in one piece. They didn't budge one inch on that trailer. It is about 9:30. We are tired. Dogs need to be walked out, so we're gonna unload in the morning. Have a closer look at these awesome Cushmans in the morning. Well, here they are, Cushmans in the backyard. We got everything unloaded, and had a real good night's sleep. We only went on. We were going off of about 4 hours of sleep yesterday.
I had like 2.
So Cushmans are unloaded. The back wheels on the orange one actually freed up a good bit. Was able to get one of them freed up over at Brian's. Got the other one almost freed up, and then getting it off the truck, I had to use his Ranger to yank it off the truck. And actually I used my John Deere to get it almost all the way there, and used the Ranger to help force it back, and was able to get that wheel freed up, and then used my John Deere to pull it to the backyard pretty fast. And on the way back here, it actually freed up, so I can actually push it forward and back easy now. That one, you can sneeze on it and it'll move. So
sometimes a little forward power helps.
Yeah. But there it is. Big thank you to my brother-in-law Chris, Engine Light Garage. Go check him out for helping me get this. Big thank you to my buddy Ricky Neal for letting me use his trailer. And definitely look out for more videos on these, because I'm going to do my best to restore this thing to its former glory. That one I got a special project that I will reveal in the next video. Some of y'all watching this already know what it is, but don't really know a lot of big details on it. So next video, look out for that one. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.